I'm a full-time doctor who used to come home from work absolutely drained, but now I'm able to get more done in 3 hours after work than most people do all day. Here's how I train my brain to focus like a sniper even after a long day at work. Number 1, start working within 15 minutes of getting home. Most guys finish work, scroll their phone, eat something, then try and get into side hustle mode. That kills momentum. Instead, I start my work block within 15 minutes of getting home, even if I'm still in scrubs. Number 2, a stupidly simple system. I ditched the aesthetic productivity dashboards years ago. You don't need a second job managing your Notion. What I use now, 3 high leverage tasks written on paper or iPhone notes. That's it. Simplicity builds clarity and clarity gets you into flow. Number 3, train the habit of focus. The problem isn't your tasks, it's your distracted brain. 2 things that help to rewire my brain for focus. Number 1, reading physical books. Daily meditation, even if you start off just 5 minutes. Do these 3 things and you'll stop feeling guilty about wasting your evenings. You'll get into some real deep work and flow state. You'll start building real momentum on your side hustle and make some real progress, even if you've got a full 9 to 5 job.